Guys, I'm going to show you how I make this. This is a DIY diamond art kit. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So this is what's inside. This is the the picture that we're gonna make. That and these are those diamond thing. See how small it is. Okay, so today is my second day. Actually, I already made some yesterday. See, you'll see that. See, there is nothing in there yet. It has a plastic to protect the see, there's a certain like that letter E, number 2, because on the left side you'll see the color. See, the 310, 334, and then it has a corresponding number and letters. Okay, so for example, this one, see, this is 743, so we are gonna be here 743, the P. So you're gonna put this 743 to all the P's that we are gonna see. Where's the P there? It's hard to there you go, there's the P. See, that's when you gonna put this, all the P's. You're gonna put the 743. That's how you do it. So yesterday I've done with my 5th color, so now I'm gonna try to choose. I think I'm gonna just choose this, the one with I think is it dot? Yeah, I think it's that. So we're gonna find it there. I think this one, right? So 3865. We're gonna find the 3865. Okay, I found the 3865. This one, 3865 and 3865. We're all gonna put it in there, in that kind of, you know, design. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, just to be safe, whatever you are not using, we're gonna try to put it away. Okay, so I put everything in here just to be safe, and then I only put the 386. Is it 3865? Yeah, let me check again. 3865, 3865. Now this thing, these are the 5 colors that I used yesterday, so I just tried to, you know, so the number's still there. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is put it in there. See how uh-oh, there's green there. I think it could be their fault because I just opened it, you know. See, I never used green yet. I don't think so. So it's probably there. See, so there's a if you can see, upside down. So you're gonna do that, so you'll see that. Then be careful with some. I'm sure they put extra for that, you know. So see, those flat, it means it's turning upside down. You can put it, you can't stick in this anyway if it's not in the right surface, I think. Okay, so this one, as you can see, this when you got this, they always have, sometimes it's rectangle, square, but it's heart. I got two, so I already used this. And it has a plastic at first, so I peel it off. I peeled it off. So, but the other one has still the plastic. So what that's do is like this. As you can see, there's like a hole inside. Okay, you're gonna poke, like if you can see, there's kind of like a hole there, because you're gonna poke like that. So there's the sticky thing inside of it. That's the one that's gonna hold the this one. See? Then let's do this. Let's put, oh, I'm sorry, forgot. There's a plastic. They put this so you can start in the so what you're gonna do is, for example, you will try to start at the top. So this plastic, you're gonna hold of that while doing this. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm having a problem because I only have one hand. Correction, I have two hands. I'm just using one for the camera. As you can see, there you go. That's how you're gonna do with all of that, with this. Okay, so I came up with a better idea, so I'm using this now, so that you know I can see clearly if I'm missing something, etc. You know, so it really helps a lot. I already made one of this, the personalized one with my son's picture, and it was a mess, and I couldn't even put it in a frame because I messed up. So now I want to order again next time. Then I want to make it really, really nice. This one I'm doing good with this because it was my first time. So yeah, so now I can use this, so I'm not gonna have a problem putting all the can you imagine that that's all I'm gonna put? Can you imagine how many colors is this? 31 color. I only have 5 colors yesterday, so this is the 6th. I'm trying to do the 5 colors today, so let's see. So I hope you like it, guys. So I'm gonna update you guys. It's my second day. Yesterday is March 25th, my first day, and today is second day, March 26th. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna update you guys when I'm done today. I'm gonna update you. What I ended up today. It's not almost done because I still have a lot. But as you can see, that's the one I already have put on. This one is not yet. The one that you can still see the letters and numbers are the one that doesn't have the diamond. So basically, that's what I So this is my second day, by the way. It's March 26th. So hopefully I will be done in a day or two. Let's see.